Today's question for our 3-card reading for our short lesson on navigating and learning about the language of the tarot is: what would happen if I fully trusted myself? So here we have the Sun card, the Strength card, and the Six of Pentacles. So before I give you my interpretation, what is your interpretation? How would you interpret these cards according to this question? You can put it in the comments below if you like, and ask any other questions there. So first, the Sun card is a Major Arcana card, number 19. This is all about joy, clarity, vitality, and self-expression. The number 19 reduces to the number 1. 1 plus 9 equals 10, reduces to 1. This is which is new beginnings and self-led energy. This shows that self-trust opens a path of confidence, visibility, and success. And if you stop second guessing and start shining in your own truth, amazing things can happen. So next we have the Strength card, which is another Major Arcana, which is a number 8. This is inner courage, emotional mastery, and gentle power. The number 8 represents resilience and personal power, as I mentioned before. Strength is not about force, but about calm confidence. This tells you that trusting yourself actually builds emotional stability, not chaos. Finally, the Six of Pentacles, earth energy. The number 6 represents balance, harmony, and flow between giving and receiving. Pentacles relates to the material life, money, and practical support. This suggests that self-trust leads to healthier relationships with others, especially around support and abundance. The tarot message here is quite clear. If you fully trust yourself and you don't shrink, you actually expand. You become more visible with this, and more grounded in your inner power as represented by strength, and more balanced in what you give and receive as represented by the Six of Pentacles. So self-trust doesn't just change how you feel, it changes how life responds to you.